Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install and set up Cloudflare version 1.1 with Warp VPN on your PC or laptop. First, open your browser and search for 1.1.1.1. Click the first link that shows up, and on the website, you'll see different download options: Mac OS, Windows, App Store, Play Store, and Linux. Since I'm using a Mac, I'll click on Mac OS. So the download will start automatically. Wait for it to finish, then open the installer file. Follow the steps on the screen to install it. It's super easy. Just keep clicking through and it will be done in no time. Once it's downloaded, it should open by itself. If not, or if you're looking for it again, you'll find the warp icon at the top of your screen in the menu bar. Click on it and the app will pop up. So if you go to settings, you'll see two options: 1.1, 1.1.1.1, 4 ones just DNS, 4 ones with Warp VPN mode. To use the VPN, select Warp and then click Connect, and that's it. Your connection is now private and secure. So if you want to explore more settings, go to Settings, then tap Preferences. In here, you'll find more options like General, Connection, Account, DNS, Logs, and more. And that's how you use Warp VPN for a safer, more private, and faster internet connection on your PC or laptop. If this helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.